Welcome to this lesson on how Agile can drive value. We will explore key concepts that enhance project outcomes through Agile methodologies. As we learned in previous lessons, Agile principles focus on customer collaboration and iterative development. These core concepts drive value by ensuring projects align with client needs. This quote encapsulates the essence of Agile. Remember, it's about fostering a mindset that prioritizes value delivery in every project. In this module, we focus on value-driven delivery. Agile increases flexibility and enhances quality, which are crucial for successful project management. Agile encompasses various frameworks like Scrum and Kanban. Each offers unique approaches to enhancing collaboration and delivering value. Now, let's look at real-world applications of Agile. Companies across industries leverage Agile to enhance their project outcomes and drive value. To ensure Agile drives value, we must measure key metrics. Customer satisfaction and delivery speed are vital indicators of success. In conclusion, Agile methodologies drive value through collaboration, flexibility, and quality. Embrace these principles to enhance your project management skills.